Hi, hello, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to tidy up your Google Sheet columns and rows. So, if you're facing that your data is just like this, the rows is too small, you don't need to resize it one by one. It really takes your time. Also, for the columns, you don't need to do it manually like this, but you can do it automatically by using this one. First, I will show you how to doing on the columns size. So you have to drag the data you want to fix or you want to tidying, and then remember you have to drag the name of the columns. Okay, not only the data, not the array, but the column. So you have to drag from this one, A, B, C, D, E, F, and then so on until J. Remember, you have to click this one and then you just right click, and then you can see this is resize columns from A to J, and then you can make it as a default by 100. I don't know it is pixel or what the units, but I do prefer fit to data. Just click OK. Now the data or the columns is tidying up like this. It's really good. Also, if you want to the fast result, you just drag and then double click, or you can resize like this. It will be uh, smaller all the columns that you already drag. And then if you want to make it fit to your data, you just double click on the last column like this. See, now it fit to the data. Also, you can do it to your rows. I will double click it. See, now the rows is already tidying up. Okay, that's it. This tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's it, please subscribe our channel. And then if you have any question, please put on the comment below. Thank you. Bye.